I would well like most people to know whether this verse is well crafted. I produce it from my workshop, since I am really the champion of this art, and it is true. And I bring as a witness this verse itself when it is done. I know wisdom and foolishness well, and I know shame and honor, and I have both fear and courage. And if you propose a love game, I am not so fatuous that I can't tell the best one among the mediocre. I know well those who mean well, and those who hate me as well, and I know who makes merry with me. And if gentlemen enjoy my company, I am quite aware that I have to take care of their comfort and of their amusement. Be blessed the one who took care of my upbringing and taught me such a good occupation, which never failed me. Because when it comes to board playing for every fret, I know more than any of my neighbors, no matter what you see me trying. I thank God and Saint Julian, I have learned so much about the sweet game that I am more skilled than anybody else. And he who asks for my advice won't be denied it, nor will anyone come back from me with bad advice. Since I have for a nickname infallible master, never will my mistress have me one night and not wish to have me the next day. Because in this trade I am, and I freely say it's so expert, that I can earn my living in every market. So big that I wasn't defeated the other day when I was playing for a big stake, and the preliminaries were all in my favor until the game was laid out. When I looked at it, it wasn't of any use anymore. It had changed on me, but she reproached me. Sir, your dice are small, and I will double the stakes, said I. Even if they gave me Montpellier, I wouldn't resign. And I lifted her board a little with both arms, 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 arms. The dice, and the first two were good points, and the third was loaded, and I had it hit the board well, and it was game.